For the mindset shift, we start with that. When I was starting, I was thinking about what are my talents, what are my skills, right? Being aware of that. But I realized along the way, it's not really about you. It's about how can you leverage that talent and skills into helping other people. So instead of asking yourself, what am I good at? Rephrase that question to, who can I help today? Para hindi tayo overwhelmed. Kasi alam natin ng mga moms, overthinking, mga ganyan. So there's a tendency na kayo, pag uwi nyo sa bahay, inspired. Pero after that, what's gonna be the action, right? Meron tayong tinatawag na inspiralysis or paralysis analysis na, okay, I'm so excited, I'm so pumped up, I know what to do. Magsasign up ako sa libro ni ma'am para I know what to do. Para if I'm an aspiring entrepreneur or mompreneur, ito yung gagawin ko. Pero after that, biglang nagkaroon ng issues or nagkasakit yung anak. So, na-stuck na tayo.